Hello everybody, Jonathan Rayo here, and in this lesson I want to teach you how to play the song How He Loves Us by John Mark McMillan. As always, I'm going to play through the song for you first, and then at the end I'll break it down and explain it to you in more detail, so make sure to stick around for that. For now, let's go ahead and play through the song.
He is jealous for me, loves like a hurricane. I am a tree bending beneath the weight of his winds and mercy. And all of a sudden I am unaware of these afflictions eclipsed by glory, as I realize just how beautiful you are and how great your affections are for me. Oh, how he loves us all. Oh, how he loves us, how he loves us all. He is jealous for me, loves like a hurricane. I am a tree bending beneath the weight of his winds and mercy. And all of a sudden I am unaware of these afflictions eclipsed by glory, and I realize just how beautiful you are and how great your affections are for me. He loves us, oh how he loves us, oh how he loves us, oh how he loves us. He loves us, oh how he loves us, oh how he loves us, oh how he loves us. We are his portion and he is our prize, drawn to redemption by the grace in his eyes. If grace is an ocean, we're all sinking. So heaven meets earth like an unforeseen kiss, and my heart turns violently inside of my chest. I don't have time to maintain these regrets when I think about the way he loves us. Oh, how he loves us. Oh, how he loves us. Oh, how he loves us. He loves us. Oh, how he loves us. Oh, how he loves us. Oh, how he loves us.
So for this song, we're only going to be using 4 chords from the C chord family, But I'm going to be playing with my capo on the 2nd fret. So I'm actually playing in the key of D, even though I'm using the C chord family chords. Now this is just to make it easier for me to sing. If you want, you can always move the capo around. You can remove it completely and just play it in the key of C. It's completely up to you. So we're going to be using the C chord, and for the C chord we want to make sure to start our strumming on the A string, so we don't want to play that low E string. We can just avoid it with our strumming hand, but we can also use our thumb to touch that low E string to mute it in case we accidentally hit it while we're strumming. We're also going to be playing an A minor 7, which all we need to do for that from a C chord is to remove our 3rd finger, and that's it. So it's a very easy transition. Same thing, we want to start our strumming on the A string and avoid that low E string. After that, we've got a G chord, and we're going to be using our 2nd, 3rd, and 4th finger to play this G chord. And for this chord, we want to strum all 6 strings. And last of all, we're going to be playing the F over C chord, which looks like this. And I want to start my strumming for this chord on the D string and avoid the low E string and the A string. Now what's really nice about this song is that for the entire song, that is the progression. We're going to go from C to A minor to G to F over C, and we're just going to do that on repeat for the whole song. So once you get a hold of that progression, you can kind of just forget about it and just play the song. For strumming, we're going to be using the sway pattern, which is a 3-beat strum pattern. So we're going to have 3 down strums with an up strum added after beat 2 and 3. And for this pattern, we want to put our emphasis on beat 1. So every time we restart a measure, we want to strum harder on that first beat. So I'm just going to hold the C chord and play that strum pattern and count the beats out loud so you can hear what I'm talking about. 1, 2, and 3, and 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 1. All right, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next lesson. Take care.